Thank you for watching our video about 3D wood carving. My customer was having trouble trying to figure out a way to mount a carving to his uneven pointed two-angle surface. This is a table. He wants to mount a custom carving in this position, and this video is a suggestion on how to do that. Just imagine that you take a mounting template, a board that will match the table itself, and move it to the edge of the table, this mark right here, so that you could draw a pencil line on the board to create an angle template. This will give you the correct angle and shape. By marking it on the template board, you can easily cut it to that shape, make two of them, place one on the bottom of the image and one on the top, and then that will allow you to put mounting holes in the corner of the image and place a screw straight through the 3D carving, through the template mounting angle, and screw directly into the surface of your table, which would allow you to remove if necessary for refinishing. You can recess the screw in a 1/4-inch hole, use a 1/4-inch dowel to cover it up and allow you access later on if you need to by putting in a wooden plug of the right size. This way would allow you to efficiently mount your 3D carving without the need of a real wide border, which makes the carving smaller. What do you want carved on your next 3D carving? Contact Lee Noring at HookedOnCNC.com YouTube channel or phone area code 916-672-1132.